Hey guys, I'm back, and I'm back with Stitch Fix. My camera keeps cutting out on me, so I may be interrupted with these videos. But quickly, here are my notes. Stitch Fix is also $20 styling fee. It's men, women, and children. They have over 1,000 brands, including my trusty notes here. Calvin Klein, Michael Kors, Kate Spade, Free People, Tom's, Ralph Lauren, etc. They have sizes 0 to 24W, big and tall, petite, plus, and maternity. You can pick the date you'd like to receive your shipment. There's no obligation with a subscription. You can get the deliveries whenever you choose. You can choose once, or you can choose scheduled deliveries, etc., etc. There's an envelope in here to return your items as well, just like the last one we just did, Dia & Co. So I started to cut this open, and my camera cut out on me. I did the whole spiel about what this is about, and my camera cut out on me. So I'm just gonna hop into it here. Ooh, I see a bag. Here's all my paperwork here. How cute is this? I hold that aside. Here's your postage paid envelope. Look it. Ladies, how damn adorable. How freaking cute is this? I can only imagine the price. Oh my goodness. Soul Society. All right, so there was that in there, and it was just kind of hanging out. So, oh my goodness. Let's see what we have. There's my bundle. Look how pretty it looks. Here's the colors. Just flip this baby open. Get down to business. Polka dots. So the first item here, it looks like Mix by 41 Hawthorn, and it looks like a polka dotted top. Oh, tanky. A tank top. Oh, a dress. A dress. Cute. With a little keyhole in the front. Here's the bottom here. So we have that. Here's the back. It's regular. Trying to breeze through this here. Ooh, I really like this. Fortune and Ivory. Ooh, it's a dress. Burgundy, love this color. Brush knit, Hacci Dress. This is Natasha Keyhole elastic knit dress. Oh my goodness. This is so... I'm loving this. McLovin. Super. I can't even explain how soft this material is and comfortable. Look at how freaking adorable this is. I can't. Oh my God, I hope this isn't expensive. I so want that. So want that. This is Loveappella Brianne knit dress. Oh, I got 3 dresses. Oh my goodness. Let's see. And these are all in sizes, the same size as the Nadine West. So this is a size up from what I did today with the Dia & Co. This is even cute. Oops. Oh, with a little belt. And here's the bottom here. It's kind of long, actually, and with a little elastic waist, some florals, and another pair of jeans, which I got my fingers crossed that they'll work out all right. These are high rise though. Ew. Ellie Ankle Skinny STS Blue. Oh, these look huge. I don't know, these are probably gonna be too big. But here's the jeans. And a bag. So I'm gonna try on. I'm just breezing through this. I don't want my camera to die. Again, here's the bag. It's by, I already said that. Oh, cute. Look at the inside. It's got 2 pockets. Oh, cute. Little clutch. Big clutch, actually. All right, so I'll see you in a few. See you in 2 and 2. Okay, so this is outfit number 1, which I look like an Amish. No offense against the Amish. Just not my style. I'm not liking this at all. I tried on the jeans, and the jeans were way too big, so I'm not even going to show those. And we'll see what the last 2 dresses look like, but no, definitely no for this. Okay, guys, this is another miss, I think. I don't know if it's the sizes, because the sizes are too big for me, or what, but I don't think I'm feeling this one either. I think, I don't know, it's too old granny for me, I think. It's a cute dress, but just not my style. So thumbs down on this one too, sorry. Okay, here's the final outfit. Let me know, guys. I don't know. I think this Stitch Fix, this whole box just was a miss for me. Cute dress in the back and stuff, but I think it does nothing for, it actually makes me look, it doesn't flatter my figure at all. Maybe if I got it in a smaller size, it would look different, but this is a maybe, and that's a slim maybe. Kind of sad. Okay, guys, I'm back. Hello there. I'm not supposed to be up here. Super freaking bummed about like every outfit that I just tried on, because none of it fit me, or it wasn't my jam. But let me get to the pricing and the letter. At least it says, oh, hello. And what's cool is, excuse me, what are you doing? What's cool is they give you like a little card with pictures on it. See on the back here, it says, take a peek, tucked inside pieces from your stylist's outfit, inspiration, and personalized style advice. Refer a friend, blah, blah, blah. And then it basically shows you each item you got in the middle, and then you can pair it with their suggestions. So my stylist wrote, your style delivered. Hi, Angela. Welcome to your very first fix. As your stylist, I'm here to help you find new pieces that you love and that you can feel beautiful and confident in. Well, I'll tell you something. I definitely didn't feel either of those. For your daughter's upcoming, yeah. That's cute how he personalized it. My daughter's upcoming college graduation and award ceremony. She's graduating twice from college. She got an extension. I included several dresses for you to choose from, starting with this Loveappella knit dress. I think you will love the contrasting colors and print, as well as the classic tie waist detailing. The Fortune Plus Ivy dress has a fun pop of berry color and back detailing, which if it fit me, I would have really liked that. Maybe I'll get it in a smaller size. To assist me in sending you items you love, make sure to answer all of the feedback questions during checkout, as well as leave me detailed comments. Also, if you have a Pinterest board, you can link it to your profile to give me more insight into your fashion style and preferences. Enjoy trying on new styles. Shine on, Abby. Sorry, Abby. It's, I don't know, maybe it's my fault because of the size selection, but this wasn't a hit for me. The prices here are: the knit burgundy dress was $48. The high-rise ankle skinny jeans were $59. The Soul Society handbag is $49.95. The Loveappella black knit dress is $68. And the Mix by 41 Hawthorn Natasha Keyhole navy is $44. Total box price is $268.95. You get 25% off, so that's $67.24. That makes it come out to $201.71, and I did pay a styling fee, so I do have a $20 credit, which brings it down to $181.71 for the whole box. Unfortunately, yeah, I'm not feeling that box, so I'm gonna have to get with them and say, look, maybe the bag, but that's a big maybe. So yeah, in conclusion, what is this? It's just some information about you. Just some info. Okay, so in conclusion, let me know in the comments below what you thought, but yeah, I'm thinking that none of those pieces were really me because they were too large, and I might possibly keep the bag, but how much was it again? That's a steep price for a clutch. $49.95. So in reality, I'd be paying $29.95 because of my $20 credit that I actually had to pay for this one. So if I don't keep something, that credit does not roll over, unfortunately. So until the next one, thanks for joining me again. And I'll see you in the next one.